Hi, my name is Steve Eros. I work with the Huntington Beach Fire Department in the Fire Prevention Division. My title is Fire Protection Analyst, and I've been serving the community for roughly 6 years. But today I'm here to talk to you about smoke alarms. Residential fires continue to claim thousands of lives each year. 85% of those fires occur right in your home. Most of those fires occur between the hours of 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. while people are sleeping. A third of those fire-related deaths occur because the smoke alarms within the home are either malfunctioning or there's no smoke alarms installed at all. The Huntington Beach Fire Department is here to remind you that to be able to test your smoke alarms regularly and to hear the beep where you sleep.
Hey Steve, where should the smoke alarms be installed?
Hey, that's a great question, Noah. Let's review some of the places where smoke alarms should be installed. Smoke alarms should be installed in every bedroom. It should be installed right outside every bedroom, in a hallway, corridor. If there's multiple bedrooms served by one corridor, one smoke alarm should be installed that serves multiple bedrooms. And a smoke alarm should be installed on every floor of a building. Even if you don't have any bedrooms on the first floor, a smoke alarm is still required on that first floor and second or third floor, depending on how many stories your home has.
Hey Steve, how often should the smoke alarms be tested?
Another great question, Noah. Smoke alarms should be tested monthly. Create a routine with your family. Test the smoke alarms once a month, the first day of the month or the first Friday of the month. Create a routine with your family. Review evacuation procedures such as which routes to take if there's multiple routes from your house. Locate where the exits are and dedicate a safe zone to meet. And remember to stay outside until the smoke alarm stops beeping. So, how do you test a smoke alarm? It's quite easy. All you really need to do is push this test button. Just hold it down, and if it alarms, then it's working. If it doesn't alarm, then it needs to be addressed. Some common items that need to be addressed are either the batteries need to be swapped out or the whole smoke alarm needs to be replaced. Just a reminder, remember to hear the beep where you sleep. Now let's hear some of those sweet sounds of safety.